So we are having the data set that contain the investment income of various people. I have created a dashboard for it to analyze this data set and make necessary decision out of it. In this data set, we are having five people, and these five people are the directors of the companies. They are earning their revenues in four different categories: salary, investment income, bonus, and director fees. And these four categories are further having their subcategories also. The total amount of salary all the five members have generated is 150.34 million. The total amount of investment income they all have collected is 3.94 million. The total amount of bonus all have get is 73.59 million, and the director fees all have collected is 3.24 million. I have created four KPIs for all the various categories of the income. A has collected 141.21 million salaries. He has earned 24.02 million for investment income. He has collected 73.59 for the bonus income and 3.24 million as the director fees. In the similar way, all the members' salary, investment income, and bonus are represented in these KPIs. Moving forward, I have created a selector that contains the years for the data we have. And in this selector, we can go deep on the basis of the quarters and further deep by selecting the particular month. Example, you have to get the data for all the people in the year 2022 and for the quarter 2. Then just by clicking on quarter 2, we will get the data for all the people in the quarter 2 of the month. If you want to go more deep inside that quarter by selecting the particular month, then you can select the particular month, like just clicking on April, you will get the data, the amount of income earned by all the people in the month of April of the year 2021 is this: A has earned 9.16 million, C has earned 2.66.27k, and E has earned 1.99.17k. In this way, we can get the data for all the people according to the year, quarter, month. Further, for more classification, if you want to get the data based on the category of income they have generated. For example, if we want to know the amount of bonus they have collected, by selecting this selector option, by clicking on bonus, we will get all the income amount of income earned by the peoples as the bonus. Further, if you want to get the income for all the people in terms of investment income, then by clicking on investment, we will get the amount of investment income all have generated. Further, if you want to go deeper inside the investment income into the subcategories, then by clicking on the drop down list, you can see various subcategories in the investment income. Example, if you want to find the amount of interest they have generated on FD interest, by clicking on FD, you will get the amount they have generated on FD interest. As you can see, A has got 70.0k on the investment as written in their FD, B has got 250k, C has got 6.85k, and D and E have got 0 as an investment return on their fixed account of FD. This will help us to get the investment for all the people based on further classification of the revenue type. Now, coming to the income timeline chart, this chart will help us to understand the amount of income the peoples have collected according to their month and years. For example, if we want to get the income for all the person in the year only 2021, but then by coming to the selector section, we can select year 2021, and this chart will show us the result they have result, the amount they have generated in the 2021 year. As we can see that the maximum amount is 78 million that A have collected in the month of June, and the second highest amount A have collected is 46 million, and it is in the month of November. This chart will help us to understand the earning of the people according to the year as well as month. it can help us to understand in which month they are earning more and in which month they are earning less. For example, if you want to check for the year 2022, then by selecting year 2022, we can see in the month of March, A has collected 16.6 million, C has collected 3.4 million, and in the month of January, A has collected 11.9 million, and in the month of February, A has collected 9.6 million. As we can see, from January to February, the income is decreasing, and this will help us to understand in which month their income is decreasing and in which month their income is increasing. Now, coming to the donut chart, this chart will help us to understand the revenue type distribution. Let me select all the values. Now we can see that total amount of income that all the people have generated, out of that 58.25% is generated by the salary, and this salary is having furthermore categories, that is three categories, that is salary from company 1 and salary from company 2. And in this we can see that the major amount contributor to the salary is the salary from company 1, which hold 69.45%. Next, if you want to get the further detailed classification of investment income, then by clicking on investment, you can see that there are seven different categories under the investment, and this will help us you to understand which source of investment type is contributing towards the major part of the investment. Like you can see here, the gain for the mutual fund is 32.98%. This means that the major amount of investment income all the people have gained is from the mutual fund, and the least amount of investment income all the people have gained is from FD. As we all know that mutual fund is giving now higher returns as compared to the FD. Now coming to the chart of revenue by income type. This chart will help you to understand the percentage of income generated by the people according to various category. For example, we can see that in the salary part, A has got 58.34 percentage from his total income as the salary. He has got 30.40 percentage of his total income from the bonus. He has earned 9.92 from his investment part, and he has earned 1.34 percentage as the director fees for his total income. This will help you to understand category wise percentage of income generated by all the members. Example, if we come for C, C has earned 48.39 percentage from his salary part. Now, to show you how this dashboard will help you to understand the get the result, I have created some of the questions. Let's solve them. As we see, the first question is who is earning more in revenue type salary. So we have to find out which person is earning more in the salary column. Then by coming to the revenue type, we can select here as salary, and this will give you the information who is earning the salary. As we can see that A is earning the highest number of amount of salary. So the answer will be here A. Next question, what is the income of E in the month of Jan and Feb of 2022? Now we can use the selector column of the year. We have to find in the year of 2022, then by selecting year 2022, in the month of January and February. In the month of January and February, we can see the salary is 697.87k. So the answer will be 697.87k. The next question is what is the major source of income? Uh, This we can easily check by looking at our donut chart. As we can see, the maximum amount of contribution is done by the salary, that is 58.25 towards our total contribution. So the answer will be salary. Yes, salary. Coming to the next question, who is earning more? By seeing all the table, we can easily make that A is earning more as compared to A, B, C, D, and E because A is having higher values in all the column. Next question is in which of the month the share market was high and low. This we can get by coming to the investment income and further selecting all the proper categories that are belonging to the share market. From here in the investment we can find the capital gain on mutual fund and capital gain on the share. These two categories will help us to understand the trend of the market. Now coming to the year, we will select year 2021. So in the year 2021, we can see October was the month that was giving the high returns, and the second highest month was August. Now selecting for all the years, we can see uh, that October 2021 was the month when the share market was giving higher return, and for the lowest, we can check it was April 2021. So the answer is I of 2021 was low April 2021. The next question is quarter-wise income for each person. To see this, we can directly come here and select all the values. And for quarter-wise income, we can come here in the selector of the date and select which of the quarter we want to select. Example for the quarter one and quarter two, we can select on quarter two. We will get all the values for quarter two. So this is also done. The next question is which type of investment is giving more returns? Go to our donut chart, come under the investment section. By select, we should select all the years. Yes, donut chart, years. Ah. In this, we can see the maximum amount of investment return we are getting is on capital gain on mutual fund. So the answer will be with this we have answered all the questions and I have successfully completed my dashboard. Thank you.